Hello and welcome to this little video on how I changed this cabinet into a pink dream, I'd say. And first of all, it's important to tape off the edges where the windows are, where the glass is, and then of course to mix some paint. And I kind of went for this orange pink matted color, mixed it in with some gray and white base, and then then I found like a lovely bright color I really enjoyed. And luckily this wood was untreated, so it was quite easy to just paint over, and I kind of don't mind it I don't mind that it has that kind of a little bit old and kind of scratched look, so yeah, I didn't go too careful over. I didn't give it more layers. And then of course when the paint is dry, you peel off the tape, and that can be a very satisfying experience if you put the tape on correctly, which luckily I had. And then I also wanted to do something fun with the legs, because these legs had these kind of cuts or patterns, or like drilled in. I actually don't know the proper word for it, sorry. But anyway, it had like these surfaces that just screamed to have some shapes painted on them. So I chose some quite bold colors, mixed them in with some white, and then just simply painted them, not completely all over, but just gave them some details in some bright bold colors. And here you can see the final result, which I think is quite cool: the pink cabinet and the colored beautiful legs. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.